With our Moodle Certified Integration, you can automatically generate interactive activities from your content. Check the transcription created by our artificial intelligence as your source document. Then review, edit, and approve the content before integrating it on Moodle. By focusing solely on the source document chosen by the educator, Knowledge ensures accuracy and relevance in interactive content production. Educators have full control over the content generated by Knowledge. Knowledge uses the open source H5P format for its interactive learning activities, a format backed by cognitive and neuroscience research. You can preview and find the generated interactive activities in your content bank on Moodle. Interactive questions, flashcards, find the words, drag the words, crosswords, and much more. You can now share your knowledge-generated interactive activities on Moodle.